So you've got yourself the Google Pixel Watch 2 and you're wondering how to change out the band. Maybe you just want to put on the longer band, or you bought a fancy band that you'd like to swap it out with. Let's go ahead and dive right into it and show you how. So first off, let's show you where the buttons are to release the band. So on the side here with the holes on it, there's a small little button right there that you need to push. And then for the other side, it's on the opposite corner. It's right up there. That's where the button is that you need to push. So it's really quite small. Now the way to release the band, you're gonna push down the button and rotate the band towards the button, not away, but towards the button. So let me go ahead and push that there. We'll push that button down and we'll slide the band towards it just like that, and it should release it. And that'll allow you to take that off. We'll do the same thing on the other side here. We'll push that button down and slide it towards just like that, and it'll release it right off of the watch. Now, again, the same thing to put it on. You're gonna do that in the reverse order. Now, I've found the easiest way to do this is to actually push the button down with the band. So let's go ahead and try this. We'll push the button down with the edge of the band, and then we'll slide it back across like that. And we'll put on the longer band here as well. We'll try this on this end. Again, push that button down with the band, and then we'll slide it back like that, and it'll lock right into place. And really it's that simple to replace the band or change out the band here on your Google Pixel Watch 2.